A healthy smile is a beautiful smile. At Walden Square Dental, we feel a healthy smile is an important aspect of your general health and well-being. Our friendly staff members provide comfort and demonstrate professionalism in every aspect of your visit. We put patient comfort above all else while offering a comprehensive line of services for children, teens, and adults. Serving the Grayslake community, Dr. Elizabeth Schaik proudly offers whitening, veneers, and high-quality preventative and restorative care to maintain your beautiful smile. We are committed to exceed patient expectations at every visit. Don't settle for a good dental experience. Come visit our team to have a great experience. Contact our office today to schedule your next appointment by calling 847-223-0110 or visit www.waldensquaredentalcare.com. We bring smiles to life for a lifetime.